Here guys, today in this video we're going to learn on how to combine images into one file. So in order for us to do this, I'm going to tap on my file manager, and from here I'm going to select the images that I want to combine into a PDF. Let's say that I've selected mine, which were here in the downloads. From there I'm going to highlight them, left click on print. Then I'm going to adjust the images on how I want them to look like. From here, I am going to either put it on fit picture into frame, then I'm going to click on print. From there, I'm going to choose the place that I want to save these pictures that I had already entered, and I'm going to save it here. Going to click on save. After writing the file name that I want it to be saved as, then we're going to wait for it until it's finished printing the pages. Once it's done, we are going to head on over on where we saved our pictures in PDF. As we double click on it, we are going to see the images that we had put in PDF. And thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if it did help. And I'll see you guys on the next video.